A plasticizing cylinder assembly typically refers to a component used in injection molding machines. It is responsible for melting and plasticizing the solid granules or pellets of plastic material, and then injecting the molten plastic into the mold cavity to form the desired shape. The plasticizing cylinder assembly consists of several key components. Plasticizing screw. This is a specially designed screw that fits inside the plasticizing cylinder. The screw has a gradual taper along its length, which helps to melt, mix and homogenize the plastic material. The plasticizing screw is driven by a motor, generating heat through friction, conductive heating, and back pressure. The plasticizing cylinder is a chamber surrounding the plasticizing screw. The plastic material enters the cylinder from the hopper and moves along the rotating screw. The cylinder is heated externally to provide the necessary temperature for melting the plastic material. Typically, electric heaters are used for heating the plasticizing cylinder. Nozzle body and tip. At the end of the plasticizing cylinder, there is a nozzle through which the molten plastic is injected into the mold cavity. The nozzle is attached to the barrel and is equipped with an open tip or shut-off valve to control the flow of plastic material. During the injection molding process, the plastic material is fed into the plasticizing cylinder through the hopper. The plasticizing screw rotates and moves backward, melting the plastic material due to the friction, back pressure and the heat provided by the heated cylinder. Once the plastic is fully melted and homogenized, the molten plastic is then injected into the mold cavity under pressure, where it cools and solidifies to form the desired product. It's worth noting that the specific design and configuration of the plasticizing cylinder assembly may vary depending on the type and size of the injection molding machine, as well as the type and properties of the plastic material being processed.